Hey everybody, this is just a quick shout out to, it's Primal Spirit is the name brand, and these are vegan jerkies, and this one is mesquite lime. I also really like the Thai peanut, and also I think it's like a mesquite barbecue or something. They give you 10 grams of protein, and they're just an easy, quick thing that you can shove in your hip pack or in your backpack when you're hiking, when you're on the trail. I also love them for van life. I have like a little emergency snacks pack, you know, in the front of the cab, and when I'm driving a long distance, I can just reach in, grab one of these. It's really easy to eat. Takes a little bit to tear it with your teeth, but it's great. Watch it chewing. There's some Bible verse about the different types of clean and unclean food, and the animals that can chew the cud, you know, and so this like gets your jaw moving. So anyway, I hope you have a great day, everybody, and I'll see if I can put the info in the specs or description. Have a great day. Happy trails. And this is also great for van life and RV life. Yeah, totally. Game changer. Have a good one.